All right, today we're going to bring a power bank, and this is a power bank that I'm very impressed with it because I'm going to show you guys what's hidden in this actual area. So first of all, they give you LED light in case you lose your keys or you're traveling and you don't see where your key to actually enter the hotel or your room. This is a great way to actually light up. Now, the best thing I like about this, I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to open it up first, all right? You open it up and look at this. Solar panels built in the actual power bank. So you could leave this in front of your dashboard in your car and it will charge up to your actual station. If you're going camping, leave this outdoors. It'll start getting all the solar rays. It'll start charging the actual unit itself. And then to check the charge, here it is. So you can fulfill the actual charging station and add more battery to your actual power bank. In case you have multiple people using your power bank, it's okay. You know, you don't need a plug if you're outdoors, if you're traveling. Pretty much just set this up and it'll soak up all the rays of the sun. Now, the best thing I like about, like I said, you could fold it up, fits in the pocket, it fits in your pocket, it fits in your backpack, pretty much anywhere. Now, to turn on the light, it's simple. You just hold down the power button and the light starts turning on. If you click on it again, it starts flashing like an SOS sign, and then the super flash, and then that's it. Turn it on. All right, so the power bank shows you all four lights are set up. It means you're fully charged. Right now it's missing a light, but you can just leave this out in the sun, open it up and just let it soak up the rays of the sun, and you'll get a couple of bars more. Now, the best thing I like about this is like very compact, lightweight. It's not too heavy as other power banks. It has a corner strap so you could set it up, and it does come with a cable there. In case you don't have enough power charge, you can always plug it in the front here. When you're ready to charge the devices, you go through the back of it. You have two type A's and one type C. It does come with one type C, so you can actually power it up. This says in or out. That's what it says right there in the front. The outs, it's going to be out to devices. The in or out, either or. If you have a type C connection, you could power it up. Or if you're going to power the actual power bank, you plug it in through there with type C. Now, this thing is really light. I like they came with the actual strap, and it has everything's built in. You don't have to include anything else. This is pretty much like a leather casing, and this fits in my pocket. So we're out here outdoors today. We're charging. I got this splitter that becomes 3 connections. So right now we are fully charging our phone. If you guys can see that, let me show you guys. It's charging our phone, one charging there, and the other one is charging. But if you want to see it, this is a Droid that's an iOS, I'm sorry. So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. This is 100% right now, but if you guys can notice, it's gonna turn on right now. As soon as we plug it in, it starts charging again. So this is taking full charge of the sun. All right, so if you guys can see it, it says sun, and right now it's syncing up. It's completely still charging at the same time, and we're able to charge. But I love this design. It fits in the palm of my hand. Very lightweight. LED lights a plus, and then of course power button for the LED light and the SOS sign too also. But look at this, 4 solar panels charging my phones. Very simple, easy to take with you camping, outdoors, anywhere. And you don't have to worry about charging the unit. You can leave this even in front of your car on top of the hood. I always leave it in my windshield, just soaking up the sun all day. So very simple to use, easy to set up anything. You have 2 USBs and 1 for actually charging too, but you can actually charge things through there too. So very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.